Hey everyone, it's April here, and I am here setting up for another week in my bullet journal. I am doing a Dutch door style. I wrote down all the stuff that's going on in terms of like meeting time sensitive stuff or time associated stuff on here. So I'm going to be referencing that throughout. And then I decided to do a different kind of Dutch door where I do these kind of panels with this giraffe sticking out, and it's going to be kind of a cool look. I'm excited to start, and so I'm just going to go jump on in and see you on the other side. All right, so here is my Dutch door. So I thought I saw this picture on Pinterest, and it's actually someone's Etsy shop. It is not exactly the same, but it's like the same concept that the giraffe's head is peeling around. So I'll link that down below in case you guys are interested. So thank you guys for watching this whole video. It was a little bit of a process. So basically what I did is I did cutouts so that you see the body and the head no matter what the inside Dutch door is doing. And so it's just kind of the giraffe saying, hey, what's going on? And then I have my kind of the at a glance of events, Monday through Thursday on this side, Friday and the weekend. And then, as you guys know, I have been loving having my weekly habit trackers, so I decided to add that here as well. And then I just did a simple style of horizontal because there's so much space taken from this one and this one. It got a little bit more room lengthwise to make up for that. So it's not technically horizontal. I don't know. It's the same concept. And I use this Simply Gilded gold confetti washi tape in the 10 millimeter for actually, I don't think it's 10 millimeter. Whatever millimeter this is, I use that for kind of sectioning off the days. And I'll go back in and clean this up in terms of all the pencil markings and things like that. But I thought it would be a fun concept. I don't have time as of right now to film the review that should be going right here. So that might be another video entirely. It kind of depends on how I lay my videos out and trying to plan ahead for March while I am gone. So I have not done enough of those videos right now to know. So I'm kind of leaving that option open for myself to have a review page here. So that's kind of it for now. My big task on Monday is this workflow. We have it down for maintenance so that I can finish adjusting the workflow, because we made a lot of changes recently and it's not quite working how it's supposed to. So that is my big task on Monday before I do my teeth whitening for the big day. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys like this style Dutch door. It's just kind of a fun look. It's not something I've ever done before, so I thought it would be fun to kind of have this kind of peekaboo look so that I can see the image that I'm supposed to see no matter how I flip it. So no matter what part of the week I'm on. So let me know below if you like this type of video. Let me know if you've done some creative things with Dutch doors, and tell me in the comments below what types of things you've done, whether it be cutouts like this or maybe a design on the side like I did back in February. I just kind of want to know how you guys vary up your Dutch doors if you've ever done any. So let me know in the comments below. Like, subscribe, notification bell, all that kind of jazz. And I will see you at some point this week because I am all off on my times. So I will see you at the next video. Bye, everyone.